If you don't like creepy stuff, but still love science, then stick around. This one will freak you out and blow your mind. Ready? The cockroach is the headline grabber. Decapitated, it can keep moving, eating, even walking for a while. Why? Its nervous system is decentralized. Ganglia in the body control basic functions. It breathes through spiracles, so losing a head doesn't stop air from getting in. It survives until dehydration or infection finally do it in. So no, it's not immortal, but it's shockingly resilient. Science wins again. Ugly, stubborn, and built to survive.